You know, hair loss does not discriminate. Sometimes it's on our head, sometimes it's on our eyelashes, many times it's on both, and it can be so darn frustrating. I have been getting a lot of questions lately about whether or not I know of any easy to use eyelashes that do not irritate the eye, because so many of you are struggling with your eyelashes and you find regular strip lashes that you have to use adhesive irritating. And I agree. I have found them to be hard to use and irritating in the past. Now, I'm going to give you a caveat. I actually have not used eyelashes for a while because I've been using this lash serum from Hello Skincare called Lash Therapy for the past probably almost 2 years. And it changed my eyelashes so much that I actually don't ever feel the need to use supplemental eyelashes anymore. But for those of you who either haven't tried this or maybe you're just starting it so it isn't working yet, I decided to try some different eyelash options just to see if I could figure out something that I thought might work for those of you who have struggled like I used to struggle. And I came across these strip lashes from Kiss. I get them on Amazon. You can probably get them at a drugstore as well. I don't actually have the box anymore, so I'll put up a picture of what these look like on Amazon so you can at least see what I'm talking about. And if you're not familiar with cluster lashes, they are little lash clusters, as you can see here. Hold on, we got some glare. And so you can do as many as you want. I get the super natural looking ones. They do have some that are like more fluffy, which actually look like, you know, lash extensions. So you do have some choices there. You can also double them up. But I love these because number one, they're self-adhesive. And number two, they're flexible. You can just add some to the end of your lashes if you want. You can put them wherever you want. And you're not stuck with a full strip that sometimes you have to cut down. And I find not having to use an adhesive, boy, I'm having trouble with the lighting today. Not having to use an adhesive is, for me, it's a game changer. And I feel like now I have flexibility, even though I don't generally need these anymore because of the lash therapy. I know that everybody wants to use a serum, or not everybody, maybe it won't work for everybody. And so I think we need to have lots and lots of options. Let me show you how I use these and practice. The first few times I used them was a disaster. I kept grabbing the sticky part with the tweezers. I couldn't get it to stay on my lashes, and then I would pull it off when I tried to secure it. Some of this stuff just takes time and practice, so be gentle with yourself. Let me show you. You want to grab the cluster off of the tray with the tweezers. It did come with the tweezers. I don't know what I did with them. I'm just using a regular flat tip tweezers that I have. And of course, I'm going to drop it right in the sink. Hopefully the adhesive will still work. And try to be careful when you grab it so you're not grabbing it by the adhesive strip part of it. Now, I like to put mascara on before I put these on. You don't have to use mascara with these, I don't think, especially if you get the darker, thicker ones. I get the more natural looking ones, so it's totally up to you. But I love prominent lashes, so I do put mascara on. And then basically, I'm going to try to look in the mirror while I show you guys because there's no way I'm doing this in my phone. I lift up my eyes slightly because you stick them on the underside of your lashes, not on top of them, using that pre-adhesive strip. And sorry guys, I don't know how I'm going to do this so you can see and so I can see. And you just basically stick it right on there and gently press it a little bit. Normally I do just a little bit of press and then I let it sit there for a minute or so before I try to make sure that it's secure, because I find if I do that too quickly, I just pull it right off. The adhesive sticks to my finger, sticks to the tweezers, and then it won't stay. And that's really all there is to it. And because you can choose how many of the strips to use, the clusters to use, you can make your lashes look as natural or as va-va-voom as you want. Totally flexible. And I actually may have stuck it too far into my waterline. No, maybe not. I thought I could feel it, but sometimes if I don't place it just right, I can kind of feel it under there. But when I get it in the exact right spot, which is just at the base of my upper waterline, kind of right where my lash is attached to my eye. I can't feel them. They don't bother me. The stickiness is minor as far as irritation. You know, I'm not having to use an adhesive. Now, I've heard people say that they can get these to last a few days. I have never tried that because I put them on with mascara. I wash my face every night and then they come off, which is no problem. So I can't testify to using them for multiple days, whether or not that would work. But if you're just looking for something really easy, really quick, and honestly, I've had no irritation from these, you might want to try them, and they're really super affordable. And again, if you haven't tried the lash serum from Lash Therapy, I urge you to give this a try. It really did change everything for me. You can get it in a 3 or 4 month tube or a 6-month tube. So when you look at the price on the website, it looks expensive, but you've got to break that down to how many months it's supposed to last you. I can save you money. I'll put a coupon code in the description. I am an affiliate with them, but I have been using them for a long time. I think, you know, I just don't share products just to share them. If I use them and love them, then I will share them. And what I did was I used it religiously every day for probably 3 to 4 months. And then I started using it more every other day, and I didn't see any negative. I do think you have to use things like this to keep the lashes. You have to use it forever, similar to anything that grows your hair back. But at this point now, I'm probably only using it 3 times a week. And I just put it on my lashes right after I'm done with my skincare routine at night. And I haven't seen any negative consequences to going to that few times a week, and then this will last you so much longer. So just a little tip. But hopefully if you've been struggling to find lashes and you don't want to use the full strip lashes, these clusters could be a great choice for you.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.